This 2001 Ford Mustang is brought to you by ZAS Motors. This 2001 Ford Mustang 2DR car comes with Saleen Package from factory. Features a 4.6L 8-cylinder 8CYL gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. The vehicle is zinc yellow with a dark charcoal full leather interior. It is offered as is. Extended warranty is available. Air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power mirrors, leather steering wheel, power driver seat, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, keyless entry, rear defogger, fog lights, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, cassette, CD player, anti-theft, full leather interior surface, cup holders, rear spoiler, remote trunk lid, vanity mirrors. Contact sales department at 619-213-9741 or info@zasmotors.com for more information. Visit us at zasmotors1.b12so